Hi everybody, I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. So today I want to show you some mystery boxes from Lionbrand. So today is February 14th, 2022. It's Valentine's Day. Normally I would have my hat match my top, but since it's Valentine's Day, I decided I would wear pink or red, and the only hat here I had was pink. So this is my breast cancer awareness hat that I made. I do have a tutorial for this. If you check out my playlist of hats, I have well over 100 hat tutorials. Hats are some of my favorite things to make. You'll see this in there and a bunch more. So thanks for joining me. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I have lots and lots of tutorials that making this video close to 1,000. I have anything that you could ever want to make and multiples of them. And don't forget to give this video a like. And if you're coming to me and you've been subbed already, thanks for returning. You guys ready? Lionbrand mystery boxes. I bought these a long time ago, but they were so backed up with orders that it took a long time to get here. And I don't remember how many I bought. Oh, I do remember I got something else in here that I thought looked interesting that I've never had before. So I did get some more of these Lionbrand bags. I love these bags. I have a whole bunch of them for when I go yarn shopping, or if I go inside and go grocery shopping. That way I don't have to use their plastic sacks. Hey, and I'm representing some yarn, right? I like Lionbrand. Favorite yarn company. So yes, they actually had a sale the other day. They had 40% off all their like bags. So that's when I bought a bunch of them. But I bought some in this order, then I bought a bunch more when they had that sale. So anyway, those bags are awesome, and those are $3.99 on a regular price. But they make great market bags, and also yarn project bags, because they're big enough to hold quite a bit of yarn. All right, let's see what we got here. My goodness. Got enough bags to give away and giveaways too. Okay, so I bought this thing. I thought it looked so cool. It's called Style Stitch. I actually think it's in their clearance section. But look, you make this bag with it. Hey, I'm Bagoday, so I thought, you know, maybe I'll give it a go. I don't really know anything about it. It's plastic canvas. I love working with plastic canvas. I gotta open it and see if it will let me. Check it out. Yeah, these were in the clearance section, so they had different colors. I'm gonna let my little daughter help do this. This would be a good way for her to learn. You know, before I learned to crochet when I was 10, but before I learned to crochet, I did plastic canvas when I was a little bit younger than that. So, and I always enjoy plastic canvas. So it shows you here how to do it. You know, all them stitches and everything. Plastic canvas, it's just so much fun. And this is what it looks like. So she'll be able to keep that. Her favorite color is pink. So I'm going to leave this up to a project for me and my daughter to do. And maybe I'll put it on my family vlog channel whenever we do that together. But anyways, it looks super cool. And since it was on clearance, I thought, what the heck? It'd be a good project for my daughter to learn, because like I said, I started out on plastic canvas. It comes with 2 balls of yarn. Do-it-yourself Den Craft Kit, Lionbrand. And it comes with the plastic canvas pre-cut. How cool is that? So it goes like that, and then you'll have to sew up the sides here. Oh, there's going to be a flap on it, and then you sew up the sides with your yarn needle. Comes with the yarn needle. I'll probably use a metal one though, because I'm not a big fan of those plastic ones. But that's okay. At least they thought of everything. Oh my. And it comes with this clasp. It's not bad. So it has the clasp to open it. There's screws, little tiny screws, so I got to save those. And your chain purse. And your D-rings for your chain purse to hook to. Super cool. I can't lose these screws. My daughter's going to love this. We're going to do this together, me and her. And tiny, tiny screws right here. Can't lose those. I'm going to put them back in my container because I'll lose them. So yes, that is super cool. I'm happy with my purchase, especially since it was on clearance. And this is going to be a great craft for me and my daughter to do. It'd be a great craft for anybody to do actually, by yourself, with kids, with grandkids, just for fun, you know. I think, oh, it comes with the yarn needle, but it's plastic. I'm going to put this metal one in there. So I have it. And that's what you turn out with. They have other colors as well. Not too many, but other colors. And like I said, if you've never done plastic canvas, I really enjoy it. So it's going to be a fun thing for me and my daughter to do. Okay, so I got that because I thought it was super cool. Okay, enough with that. Let's look at these mystery bags. I hope they're not the same as last time. So, like I always say, with in Lionbrand says on the other side, if you buy their mystery boxes, if you buy more than one, more than likely you will get the same thing in each one. But maybe, just maybe, there's a chance that they're different. Experience says they will not be. But that's okay, because I've bought a lot of Lionbrand mystery boxes. And I don't mind that they're the same, just gives you more yarn to make a bigger project. If you are on this today, on here, February 14th, they have red and pink mystery boxes for Valentine's Day. Now, the mystery boxes are $19.99. So, sometimes they have 9 balls and sometimes they have 7. So, really just don't know. Let's see what I got. Oh my, it looks similar to the ones I bought a month ago. That's okay. So, I got a Pound of Love, which I love. I love the neutral Pound of Love. I got this last time in my mystery box. Awesome. And then I got this also in my mystery box last time. This is Lionbrand Landscapes Fusion. Now, I love landscapes. It's a very pretty yarn. This is their Fusion. I like the color of it, but it is a bit busy for me. But I still think it's a very, very pretty yarn. I had a hat made out of it on my channel. A rainbow one, not this color. Very nice. And then, ooh, I got some Premier Basic Anti-Peeling. I like, not Premier. I am so sorry, Lionbrand, if you're watching this. Lionbrand Basic Stitch Anti-Peeling Acrylic. I love their Basic Stitch. It's a very nice anti-peeling yarn. I have lots of tutorials that I've used this in. It's a very, very pretty, and I love the pink. Hey, great for Valentine's Day. What would you know? I get them on Valentine's Day and they're pink. Very pretty. I like those a lot. Might make something out of those. Maybe. Keep them over there. Now, I'm going to just assume that this is going to be a pretty short video and all these mystery boxes are going to be the same. I said that's okay. I don't care about that. I just love mystery boxes. Not only yarn mystery boxes. Oh, I got a different color of Pound of Love. Look, I got this, the creamsicle looking color. What color is this one? It's different. The same, but different. Pink Salt. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a really light, pale pink. Almost like a peach. I'd call it peach. You can see how it's different from their tan. It's very different when you hold them together. Awesome. I got a different color of it. I love it. And I like the Pound of Love. It's a nice yarn. Nice. Again, it's a nice value acrylic yarn. Oh, I like that color. It's pretty. And then I did get another pack of the Basic Stitch in pink. And another pack of the Lionbrand Landscapes in the orange and white. I'm just super excited that I got 2 different colors of Pound of Love. I mean, that never really happens to me ever. Once in a blue moon from Lionbrand, but not very often. Okay, what do you guys think is going to be in here? Let me know in the comments. Is it going to be peach? Is it going to be the peach Pound of Love? Or is it going to be the tan? I hope it's the pink. Because if I have 2 Pounds of Love, I can make a baby blanket. And I already have like 3 of those tan ones. Not that I couldn't use another one, but... Oh, it's tan. That's okay. It's a very pretty neutral color. And brown is my favorite color. Any shade of it. Very pretty. So I like that. And these are all the same as well. It's always so much fun opening mystery boxes. Even though I know they're going to be the same. Like I said, there's always that chance. Maybe it might be different. And look, I got so excited. It's the same dang yarn. But it's just a different color. barely a different shade, but I got super excited that it was different. So I got plenty of these that I could make. I always said the yardage on these 4 weight yarns, acrylic, premium anti-peeling acrylic, 185 yards. So I could make whatever I wanted with that, and I can make this. Don't have quite as much yardage, 109 yards, but I do have 9 of them. So, you know, that's definitely enough to do some damage. But like I said, these are a bit busy for my liking. I love the regular landscapes. Although this is very pretty. I love the orange color. It might end up to giveaway or something, but it's still very, very pretty. I love it. So that's it. Short video. Fun and super cool. I might head over there and get a couple of those pink and red mystery boxes. It said it was hyperallergenic too, so you know there's not going to be any wool in it. Maybe more of these. The pink and they're acrylic. Who knows? Maybe one of these. It is peach, but it is called pink. Pink something. I can't remember. I'm already guessing what. Yeah, pink salt. I'm already guessing what it's gonna be. Who knows? You never know. Yeah, but I might do that. It sounds like fun, and I'll open them up when they get here. I'm gonna ask you guys a question. If you guys know of any good places to get mystery boxes that I have not opened mystery boxes from, I pretty much open them from everywhere. Kramer, Mary Maximum, Premier when they have them, tons of Lionbrands, Hirschner's or Willow Yarns, a lot of small yarn companies. I don't know. If you ever see any mystery boxes, hit me up and of yarn. Or yeah, oh, I got Knit Crate, tons of those. Those were a good deal. But if you ever see any mystery boxes or you know of any right now, please let me know. Feel free to leave me a link or let me know in the comments the name of the company. If you leave me a link, it's probably going to go to spam and I won't ever see it, but leave me the name of the company if you know of any at the moment. If not, you can always email me at a later date if you ever come across any at bagodaycrochet@gmail.com, because I love mystery boxes so much. I do. Yarn, food, electronics, anything that could be a mystery. I love it. I'm just that type of person. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you had a good time, even though it was, you know, same stuff. I did get pretty super stoked about getting a different color over the pound of love. Probably more excited than I should, but yarn gets me giddy. Okay, I love you all, and I'll see you on my next video, okay? Stay safe. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.